Alright, today I'm going to be installing a compressor filter with regulator on my air compressor because the diaphragm on my regulator blew out. It comes with this bracket. If you want, you can install this bracket. If you're going to use it to install it, all you do is loosen this ring, put the bracket on with the piece there that locks into that spot there, and just tighten this on. And there you go, if you're using the bracket. I'm not using the bracket, so I'm going to remove it. For your gauge, you just put some Teflon tape here and thread it. For your gauge, you can install it now, but I'm going to be installing it later. Here's my regulator that went bad. To remove it, I'm just going to unscrew it off the dryer. Now I'm going to put new Teflon tape on it, on the threads. Before I put new regulator on. You have an arrow there. You want to make sure airflow is this way, in this direction, so you want to put it on like this. And that should be good. For your gauge, you want to put tape on here and then screw it in. And I need a reducer fitting to adapt it down to 1/4 inch, but I do not have one. So I'm just going to use what I have laying around to get it on there to work. Alright, let's hope it doesn't leak. I'll probably grab a reducer fitting when I go to the store. And it's pressurized, it has pressure in it now, and there are no leaks. Turn the regulator in to set the gauge where you want it to be. Set your pressure. And then you just push it down to lock it. It should work. Alright, I have it set to 75 psi. using an air gun. The regulator works good and it holds pressure. To drain the filter, all you do is you just push in on this. You just push it in. It has a lot of pressure in it right now. You just push it in and it'll drain your water.